Did you know a dead man once won a battle just by showing up? Rodrigo Diaz de Vivar, known as El Cid, had spent decades building a reputation so fearsome that entire armies refused to fight him. He was undefeated, untouchable, almost mythical. When he died in 1099 defending Valencia, his wife Ximena faced a crisis. The Almoravid army was closing in, and without El Cid, her garrison had little hope. So she made a decision that sounds like legend but is recorded in contemporary chronicles. She had his corpse dressed in full armor, strapped upright to his horse Babieca, and sent him out at the front of a pre-dawn charge. In the darkness, the enemy saw him coming, El Cid, riding toward them. Again, the Almoravid force broke and fled. No miracle, no magic, just the power of a reputation so overwhelming that even death couldn't erase it. Ximena understood something every great commander knows. Sometimes the idea of a man is more powerful than the man himself.